Okay, it is Saturday, August 17th, 2019. It's about 8 in the morning, and we're here at this hotel in Stillwater, Oklahoma, with all the Comfortmakers. It's been a while since we've seen these units. Last time I filmed these was a year ago in April. Two-ton, 2008. That one's the same. And then there's that Fujitsu Halcyon inverter. I did a separate video on these two Fujitsus. There's another one over there. That was in 2017, I believe. There's the other one. That's a 2-ton from 2008, and then this one is a 2.5-ton. I got some fan motor hack job there. Copeland scroll compressors, and they are starting to rust. I don't think they were rusting last time we were here. That's a 2.5-ton. This one, I believe it to be like a 4-ton. Yep, 4-ton. This one right here, I just missed its startup, and I'm going to try and get it starting up again. Hopefully. Just trying to get my camera set up on the disconnect box there. And that one, the data sheet's faded on. I think it's a 2.5-ton. And I think that room right there is just a meeting room, but there's probably nobody in there, but you know, just to be safe. And the logo on this one's kind of in a weird position. As you can see. I'll just shut down to that one. So I think this is a 3.5-ton. 3-ton. And yeah, these are straight cool units. And then I think there's one more over here. That's a 4-ton from 2008. The line is very cold and sweaty. It's shaking a little bit. Alright, so there's all the Comfortmakers here at this hotel in Stillwater. There's not going to be many more videos of these units because my brother is actually a senior this year in college, so we're not going to be coming up here anymore after this school year. And that one just shut off. Got both those shutting down. So yeah, I think there will probably be one more video of these units in the spring when we come, and then after that, that'll be it. So yeah, I guess over and out.